Nordstrom. I supposed to have went to Home Goods. I done went to Nordstrom, right, guys? And oh my goodness, I found some great pieces. Hi lovelies, happy Sunday. Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. Guys, I know I was MIA yesterday on my vlog day, but I am doing so much behind the scenes. Time just caught up on me and I didn't have the opportunity to vlog. So here I am, happy Sunday. And guys, I have got some special treats for you guys. I have some gorgeous pieces that I'm going to be sharing. And today's video is going to be called The Green, Overindulgent in Green Clothing. Okay? Overindulgent in Green Fabulous Pieces is what this video is called. I know that's not going to be an algorithm or anything like that on the search bar, but I hope so. And you know, green is like my favorite color. It's always been my favorite color. I mean, even as a young girl, I always migrate to green, whether it's bright green, neon green, anything with green. I had green little rings and all of this stuff. I just love green. Green is a very subtle color. It's very fashionable. It's very sophisticated. It's easy to work with. Green almost goes with anything. Nude, black, cream. You can do a lot with greens. And then you can monochrome green with different colors of green. So I just love green. And that's what this video is going to be about. Overindulgent in green fabulous pieces. Okay, guys. And I'm going to start off with the first piece I got. Oh my God. Actually, it's a suit. And I found this at Nordstrom. And I fell in love with it. It's a new piece that's out. It's like the military cargo jacket, I want to call it. Get close up so you can see it. Guys, when I tell you it is so beautiful, it's like a sheen over it, but it's kind of heavy quality. And it has the bungee strings. At the bottom, it has this heavy duty zipper, which is in a gold tone hardware. And yes, I absolutely love this blazer. It has a little split in the back. I call it the detective jacket design in the back. And when you open it up, it has this sheer like finish. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love it with the gold buttons on the end. This jacket I got it in a size large. I did one oversized and it was $69.97. And I got this from Nordstrom. Two big pockets on the side. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's not it, guys. Guys, these are the pants. I was like, oh my goodness. At the right place at the right time. These are the pants, and they're cargo style pants with the pretty green, as you see. Pretty green. The slogan on their pants. It's certified authentic 𝗴𝗄𝗄 Skyrise, featuring slimming panels to mold and hold, and relaxed fit for comfort and democracy. Curvy quality, engineered to lift, expand, and enhance for a universal fit because all shapes are different but created equal. That is so cool. I love that. And I did get these in a large as well. These are high rise. It has the elastic in the waist. It has a drawstring to adjust the waist. And they have belt hoops. Guys, they have the buttons at the bottom. They are in a jogger with the bungee cords. You can adjust however you want the fit to be at the bottom. And the fabric feels absolutely amazing. It has a satin finish. There's no satin on the inside of the pants, but sometimes satin on the inside of the pants can make you swear to make you uncomfortable. But these are the pants, guys. They're wrinkled, I'm sorry, but they're absolutely fabulous. I can't wait to try this on for you guys. You should see me right over here in this outfit. Guys, it is absolutely beautiful. Again, the pants were $49.97, and I did get this in a size large, and I got this outfit from Nordstrom Rack. Okay, this is from Nordstrom, right? Absolutely beautiful. It does have the 2 pockets on the back. You should see me right over here modeling this outfit, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. It's gonna be one of my favorite pieces. Ah, so beautiful. I'm so glad I found this set. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. The next outfit, guys, you have already seen these pieces, but I'm gonna be putting stuff together. You see my green blouse I got from Hollister. This top I got from Hollister in a size medium. It's a crop top. It has the stretchy, very comfortable. I also have another one that I didn't open up. And I'm gonna be wearing it with these big cross jeans I got from Nordstrom. These are a pair of designer jeans. And they are the straight leg. They have a little distress in the knee, guys. I got these jeans for $19 at Nordstrom. I had to get them because I think the regular price of these jeans are $74. So I had to grab these. These are the brick cross. So wear it with my boots. They got the worn look. Wait, it looks kind of rugged. I'm gonna wear it with my 𝗵𝗵𝘁𝗀𝗀 boots that I got from Belk. These are also a designer brand. I'm gonna rock it with that. And you should see me right over here in this outfit, guys. It's absolutely fabulous. I love the way the jeans fit. They fit like a chef's kiss. They're perfect. It's like when you find the perfect pair of jeans, you better grab them. Grab those jeans. And guys, I'm gonna share with you the top I got from, I got another one from another top from Hollister. And I forgot all about it. It's been sitting in my beauty room. And it was $14.96. It's a seamless fabric long sleeve top. I can't talk, I have on my retainers. A sleeveless fabric long sleeve top I got from Hollister, which I forgot to try this top on. It's just like the green one that I have. And as you see, this was a little bit bigger. This one is in a size large. The green, this is a size medium. The sage green is a medium. This is a size large, guys. I got this for $14.90-something. It has great stretch, and I could do a lot with this. I'll be trying this on maybe with a skirt or something just to show y'all how it looks. I just tried it on with my black jeans. You should see me right over here with it with my black jeans, just to give you a look of it. But guys, these are basic, great basics to have in your wardrobe. You can go ahead and get the black, get the nude. I just want to add a lot of color because as you see, I have a lot of black. So I'm being a little bit more versatile with my basics, just getting different colors to add with different pieces, you know. So yes. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, one more outfit I will be trying on for you. You have seen these pieces, but I thought I would bring them back out. These are pieces, like I said, you're gonna be seeing all through my videos. I'm getting pieces that I can continue to gravitate to, pieces that I can constantly grab, you know, quality pieces. So I'm going to be trying back on the green 𝗪𝗪 Simpson high-waisted pants I got from Belk. These are in a size 8, and these pants were $47, I want to say. $47. They are the wide leg high-waisted pants. They do have the elastic in the back, and they button across like so. These are in one of my videos I just did not too long ago. But I will be trying these back on. And guys, I'm going to give you a little razzle dazzle with my velvet corset top I got from Express at the beginning of the year. Did I get this year or last year? Last year, I'm not sure. I'll try to put the links down below, but I will be trying this on as well with the green pants. You should see me right over here strutting this outfit. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a great going out outfit, guys. Going on a date, going with the girls. And you also see me with my oversized blazer I'm going to put on with it as well. Absolutely love this outfit. It's very classy. It's extreme sophistication. It's just a great piece. These pieces are just great to have in your wardrobe, again, because they're pieces that you will continue to grab. You will continue to gravitate, grab. And that's what I'm going for. That's what it's all about right now. That's what it's all about. Okay, guys, and the last but not least is this beautiful little dress I found at... Okay, guys, I just had a technical difficulty. I got a new tripod, which I'll be sharing the link down below. Okay, guys, this is the dress at the top. It has a little slash across the arm, which I think is very, very sexy and beautiful. And this is the dress. This is the back of the dress. It's beautiful. It fits perfect. It's a gorgeous dress to have. A part of my green trend, my green classic pieces that I have in my wardrobe. I am wearing it with a pair of boots, as you see. The dress is a very sexy dress. It's a date night dress. Absolutely fabulous. This is a dress close up. Only thing with dresses like this, guys, you have to wear the correct undergarments with it, or you will have it to show everything, all the dents and creases or whatever you have. But this is the dress. I just love the way this complements the back area. And it all comes together. Very, very sexy, very beautiful. Yes. And also, guys, I would throw on my oversized blazer that I got from Express. Oh, this blazer's some years. It's got at least a couple years on it. There's the pinstripe on the interior. And yes, I would throw my oversized blazer on. Step back so you guys can get the full look. Okay. Throw on my oversized blazer with this. And my boots. Of course, I'll cuff it. I should have put on my cuff it blazer. I would cuff it. And this is my oversized blazer. Dress with my boots. Spades. Down a bit. Boots. Very little time with that. Very, very put together, cute outfit. Guys, and it's great to have, you know, a lot of different blazers in a part of your wardrobe, because some of the blazers you can wear with jeans, and some of them, if you want to dress them up, dress them down, you just can't wear with jeans. I did pick up another blazer. I'm going to go ahead and share that. Well, actually, it's a set that I want to share that I got from Nordstrom. I'm going to start off with this black high-waisted pants that I got from Nordstrom. And I tell you, they are wide leg, they're high-waisted, super duper high-waisted. Super duper wide leg. They fit so nice. I had to have them. You just had to put them out. I don't know if this is a Junior's brand or whatever. No, I don't think it is. This brand is by design. This is a size 8 in size. They were $39.97. And I got these at Nordstrom when I was there. And they fit absolutely beautiful. They have a little... They have the little pleat in the front. The fabric feels really good. For $39.97, I'm like, you're going home with me. Like this, these pants, guys, and I found a beautiful blazer. It's been sitting in my wardrobe, I know, about 3 weeks now since I purchased it from Nordstrom. I just wanted to share that because we're doing a green haul. We're overindulging in the color green, sage green, all sorts of greens. We're doing monochrome, whatever. And jacket, guys. Yes, 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 yes. I love, love, love this jacket. You will be seeing this a lot in my videos. Guys, I think that's about it that I have to share today. And, oh, I did find me an MK bracelet, guys. Little bracelet, and my wrist is so small. Oh, there is something else. How could I forget? Guys, let me just tell you about this. I'm getting excited now. I'm getting excited. This is one of the things why I'm so happy I have a YouTube channel, because I can share stuff, great deals that I found. I'd be like, oh my goodness, I found this deal. I call my friends, my family. Y'all ain't gonna believe who got a big sale going on. And I'm always sharing information with sales and how, you know, hey, this is on the low, you need to get this. This quality is good. But guys, I found this MK bracelet. I found this MK bracelet at TJ Maxx, and it was $34. And I'm like, okay, I'll take it. Michael Kors seems to be making a comeback. So, I mean, I have a couple Michael Kors bags, but for some reason, and I have like 2 Michael Kors watches. It was like, it was beginning to get on my nerve for some reason. It's like everybody and grandmama had Michael Kors. It was just over. And then there was some remarks that was out in the media that he supposedly said. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. Like the comment that was made allegedly that he supposed to have said, and allegedly like Tommy Hilfiger said, whatever. But evidently they straightened it up or whatever. So I'm like, okay. I'll get the bracelet. I still got my watches because I invested in them and I like my watches. So, and everything is cleared up, so it's no big deal. But this is the bracelet I found for $34 at TJ Maxx. Absolutely love it, love it, love it. Guys, I know y'all see the elephant in the room. Look. The elephant in the room, guys. Ah. Yes, 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 yes. Loewe. Yes, yes, yes. Loewe, honey. Yes. It came Tuesday, I want to say. Yes. Baby. And you'll never guess which bag I chose to get. Extreming class, extreming. It's very popular, very classy, sophisticated, and they stopped making it. So, baby. Box, which I thought was very, very cute. It will be up in my collections with all of my boxes. These are not all of my boxes. I got to get this thing organized back here. But this is how it came. Box. I got my little receipt and my paperwork for the bag. And this is the bag I chose. Ah! Yes, I did choose me a puzzle bag. And this color is like a sand taupe color. Yes, babes. This is not a sponsored video or anything. This is with my own coins. And I absolutely love, love, love my Loewe bag. Yes, guys. It has the little stands you can sit on it. And also I do have my strap that came with it. Yes, guys. Now, let's get down to the facts. Okay. I prefer, it's just my preference, I prefer to try something out before I go and spend, I think this bag is running $3,200 at Loewe. Okay. So I got the best replica dupe that I could find. Yes, I did. Just to see if I like the bag. And this bag is a split image to the original bag. Now, I have to see if I like the bag. The only thing I noticed with this bag is that the zipper was a little bit shorter. But you have plenty of room and a little pocket on the back to put your cards. You have a zipper back on the back, like so. Put stuff. And let's take this paper out. And this is the inside of the bag. And you have plenty of room, guys. There's Loewe tag in here. You have plenty of room inside. Put your stuff in here. Smells like leather. Okay. Very, very nice. And it zips like so. The handle is very sturdy. The metal is very sturdy. Yeah. And this is the strap, which has a little wavy on there. And I have no idea how the strap goes in this bag. Goes like so. You can do a crossbody with it. Bear with me. I want to just try this out before I pull the trigger, because I have to make sure this bag is up to par for me. You know, so I went the best route I could, and it has the Loewe on the strap. Still got it wrong. But anyway, guys, I'm thinking you can do a crossbody with this bag, like so. The metal is very heavy. It's quality. It's very, very heavy. And yeah, here you go, guys. Here she is. Here's the bag. Absolutely love her. You will be seeing her in my videos a lot. I'm just trying her out before I pull the trigger. And this, I do like the bag. It's very simple. It's not saying a whole lot, but it's streaming class. It's streaming old money. It's quiet, part of the quiet luxury family, and I absolutely love it. It's like, if you see it, you know you know. If you don't know, you ain't gonna know what you're looking at. If you know when you see it. Okay? Yes, guys, I wanted to share that with you. I was so excited when I got it in. I'm like, what's the next bag I want to get? You know, I want to indulge in. I want to spend my hard-earned coins in. And it came up to this. I want to get something different. I have bags with the logo, the monograms, and all of that. So I want to try something different. I'm a logo girl. I love logos. It don't mean nothing, but I like the brand of the clothing. It's not that I'm trying to flaws and show nothing off or nothing like that. It's not even about that. It's about because I like, you know, I like the style. I like the purse. I like the brand. It ain't got nothing to do with trying to floss. But guys, yes, this is the new baby to the family. I'll be giving y'all an update on her. And yes, and y'all will be the first to know when I pull the trigger. But I just want to share her with you. Yes, guys. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope it was inspiring. I hope you guys really run out and hit up the racks. I will try to get the links down below of all the stuff that I purchased. I'll try to get this video up today. I know I got to stay within my watch time when my viewers are watching my videos. Because I'm snoozing and losing with that. I'm posting at 12 and 1. Everybody's sleeping. My video up there with 10 views. So I have got to get back on track with YouTube, viewing hours and everything, guys. And please view the entirety of my video. It would really help me out a lot. Guys, I'm so happy that the channel is beginning to grow thanks to you guys. I love you. And if you're subscribers, if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. I appreciate y'all so much. Guys, this is really a big deal being here on YouTube for me. And I have learned so much from the other content creators that's been around for years. They are just dropping gems here and there, and I appreciate y'all so much. There's a whole slew of women that I admire. Pretty Bree, I just really admire her. That sister's so down to earth. When I go to Palm, when I go down to West Palm, I'm gonna say, hey Bree. I do my vlog down there. I'm gonna reach out and say hi to you. I would love to meet you. Also, 𝗵𝗃𝗃, sister, you be hitting it with your styles. You're very unique with your styles. I love watching your channel. I'm a subscriber. Pretty Bree, I'm a subscriber as well. Yes, 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 guys. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on and on. Maya Galore, love you, sister. Yes. As a matter of fact, she was wearing a dress like this on one of her videos. It just so happened I saw him. We got some good taste. Great minds think alike. Yes. I mean, so many sisters inspire me. That's why I'm here on YouTube today. That I really, really, really love and enjoy watching. They're really an inspiration to me. And that's what I want to be. I would hope to be an inspiration to you guys that's watching me as well. You know, bringing love and positivity, good fashion. You know, y'all see me right before your eyes. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to evolve, you know, be a better version of myself. So right here in front of you. So yes, babes, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you've not subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And also share my video on social media. That helps out a lot also. And guys, also click the bell for any notifications of when I drop a video, because I'm dropping videos here and there and everywhere. I'm trying to stay in front of this camera much as possible. Yes, I'm trying to stay in front of this camera much as possible. So please click that bell for any notifications. Yes, baby, leave me a comment down below. Tell everybody you know, just click the subscribe button. It's free, it don't hurt. And please watch the entirety of the video. Okay, babes. And also one last thing, the giveaway will be coming up. I have not pinpointed the day, but just know that it is soon. Okay, ASAP, it's soon. So I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Gotta go. Bye-bye.